Hey guys, it's Marina. Today we're going to be drawing an exterior 3D home rendering using Procreate's Drawing Perspective Guide with Draw Assist. That was a mouthful. I'm using the iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outlines, and markers and crayons for coloring in. I occasionally may use a pencil to sketch first, so it's always handy to have that as well as an eraser. If you're new to Procreate, I also have a video called 25 Procreate Tips and Tricks, which is good to watch first because as I draw, I'll be using these actions. I will link that video below. In my other video, I explain Procreate's drawing guides, and I'll link that below. In this video, we'll only be focusing on one of those guides, which is the Perspective Drawing Guide. So here I have Procreate open. I only have just layer 1, and then we're going to go to Settings, and then we're going to enable the drawing guide. Then we're going to hit Edit Drawing Guide and make sure that perspective is checked. And then we're just going to plot a horizon line. So we can click anywhere in the middle of the screen vertically, and then we'll just move over to the right, maybe right about there. So that's your first horizon line. And for the second line, just click on the same horizon line. So now you get 2 horizon lines, and we're just going to move this one off the canvas. And we're going to try to stay as straight as possible by using the guides, because you don't want it wonky like this. And from here, you can also change the color of the guide. So if I click on this guide right here, I can either delete it and I can change the color of that grid. And next we're going to enable the assisted drawing right there. Then hit done. Now you can also enable the assisted drawing within the layer. So click on the layer and just make sure drawing assist is on. Next up, we're just going to grab a black, and I'm going to grab a round brush. Now with the draw assist, it basically follows the grid. So anywhere I place a line, it's going to follow. Now without the draw assist, I'm going to disable that just to show you. Whatever I draw is just going to go wherever. But you can use the lines as a guide. So let's enable that again, and then we could start drawing our house. And if you want to erase anything, we're going to have to turn off the assisted layer. It just makes it easier for the eraser to erase. Otherwise, the eraser is going to try to follow the guide as well. All right, so I'm gonna turn off the drawing guide and I'm just gonna move this more to the center. This is like maybe a small beach house or something. We can also color this if you want. So I'm just gonna insert a new layer and I'm gonna put it underneath layer 1. And I'm gonna be using kind of an interior design marker, kind of like those markers where they draw renderings of interior spaces. I will link where I got that marker below. So there's many different ones that come in this pack. I'm gonna use just the broad tip, and I'm not an expert color renderer, so just bear with me. Maybe we'll just select a brown to start. I think that you're just gonna go up and down. And of course, the harder you press, the darker it will be. I'm just gonna erase all my errors after. This is where you can do lots of shadowing with the pressure of the pen. You can also use the technique of just holding your Apple Pencil, not letting go, and it's gonna create a nice straight line. You can also create a new layer for each angle, just so that you don't overlap the other color. And you should always color in the direction of the line or the angle. Now with this brush, there's also a blender, so I can just blend my color. Then maybe I'll start a new layer with just a darker color since this is underneath. Just gonna erase that. Hope you're following along. Maybe we'll select a gray for the windows. Start a new layer for that one. And then for the concrete as well. Okay, let's start a new layer. You can experiment in going with different directions. This one we can go up and down. All right, let's merge the layers down. And then we'll start another layer for this step. All right, so we can do the windows last. So let's create a new layer for that. And maybe we can add just a really light blue. If you can see that, maybe we'll do a couple layers. And then we'll erase everything outside of that. Let me just uncheck this layer so I can see what I'm doing. This is very subtle. I don't know if you can see that on screen. All right, you know, you can do so much more. You can add the landscaping. I got a couple of brushes I can show you. Here it is, it's my leaf brush. I'm just gonna grab green, play around with this. Maybe there's some leaves peeking around the corner. Something like that. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video and happy drawing. To get notified of more new videos where I teach you to draw, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.